can choose any effects from the provided uh, default settings. Just drag and drop. So the effect will be there. So that is about the effects. Transitions, we can select any transition here. Just this transition could be of this type, or fade type, circling type, like that. So there are a number of options provided here by OpenShot, which can be used effectively to make our video more and more beautiful. Now, the other options are how to split, slice, and merge the videos. Merging is simple. That is, here there is a snapping tool. If we enable that, it is already enabled. If we enable it, we can simply keep our videos in the timeline and it automatically get merged into a sequence. Otherwise, if we want to specifically cut certain portions of our video, unwanted regions of our video, then we can choose the option that is splicing. Here, for example, see, we have our video here. One tool is that we can just right click on the particular video that we require to split or slice. Just click on this option, split clip. Then we can choose, just run the video, start. This is a start clip, and then again run the video. If we want to record a particular portion of this video, then when it reaches there, we can end. So that will be, that much portion will be, we can name it as a new video, create. So that will be automatically added here as a new clip. So this is one option for splitting your video, which is rather easy. Now the other method is by using this marker tool. We can use this marker tool here. So as we move the tool, we can see in the preview the changes happening. So we can select, just right click on it, slice. If we want to keep the left side alone, keep left side, so the right side will be gone. If we want to keep the both sides, keep both sides. There are many more features to explore in OpenShot video editor. That is, we can add a audio file along with our video recording. So I'll show you how to do it, for which you can select an audio file from your hard drive, open it, and we can just drag and drop. As I said earlier, the first slide goes here, opening video, now the last thank you slide comes here. You can just give a transition, and then now we have arranged it in a sequence, and we can add the video playback at the beginning of the video in another track. So we have placed our video clips on one track, and if we want simultaneously the audio to play along with the video, we have to keep it in another track and can adjust. If we require only this part of the video, we can select this part. Let's see how it works. Okay, 1 minute. We can give a transition mode, animation here, start of the clip, zoom. Can reduce the size, timeline by zooming in. Yes. Again, the other slide, sorry. The second clip. We have to arrange it accordingly. Okay. Now, this transition we can select details view. We can either choose these two mode, detail view or thumbnail view, so that we can see it more clearly. Now what happens when we do the preview? We can see the changes happening here. Okay, we can reduce the speed by increasing the seconds so that it will be played in a very slow mode. So we can adjust the timeline according to our preference. Now what is here is the playing of the video is not heard because I have kept the microphone. Change the microphone. So here we need to remove the audio on the right side. We need the audio sound only up to this area. So what we need to do is just click on this side, can slice option, keep the left side. So the other side will be trimmed without affecting the above track. So this is a beautiful option. We can choose whichever audio file that suits. Now let us play again. Hello everyone. Hope you have heard it. So this is how we can utilize a very interesting feature of OpenShot video editor for creating our videos. Now we can import it or we can save our file by clicking on this red button. It will ask where to save it. We have to choose a folder path and name our project. Then export video. It will be saved in the MP4 format, which is ready for sharing through email, YouTube, or any other social media.